back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about a Joe Fresh Goods collaboration done with New Balance on the new silhouette, the 9060, this time in the baby shower blue colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. I cannot believe it. We are at shoe number 10 for New Balance Week. I thought we were just going to go 7 days, but it has been extended to 10 full days straight of New Balance heat. For those of you who missed my live, please go back, check that out. I had an incredible conversation with Ron, who was with NB's Only, as well as Sean Go. We were talking everything and anything New Balance for this current year. So if you are a New Balance fan, you are not going to want to miss that live. So go back, check that out. But we have finally made it to our ending point. I know, tear, sad face. Not that we're stopping New Balance for the rest of the year. This is just the end point of our rally that we've had for the past 10 days or 11 days since we did a live yesterday. We are going to be closing this out with the Joe Fresh Goods collab with New Balance. This is part of the Inside Voices pack. Obviously, we've done one already that you've seen in that penny cookie pink. But today we'll be talking about the baby shower blue colorway. We'll get into the overview, talk about size and fit, followed by how I style these. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market, which for those of you who don't know, this was exclusive to Instagram's shop as well as Joe Fresh Goods. So these were a little bit more limited in comparison to this specific colorway. But definitely let's jump into this overview, start talking about some of the high quality materials that you're seeing on this. This is just A1, I will say, just like the penny cookie pink. This is beautiful. We've got different color tones on here. Really is just so cotton candy like the color scheme that they went with on the silhouette. I love this just really light powder blue that they've got for the suede. On the mesh, they've got almost this like peachy light pink tone for the mesh. Working our way up, it is a cream color scheme that also has a hit of pink to it in different lights. We also have that hit of that baby shower blue on the tongue here in that nice, beautiful leather. And we've got the 9060 in this really just light pink color scheme. And then we've got nice blue for the eyelets as well, which I think that color combination is just so beautiful and just reminds me of cotton candy. What can I say? If you're not filling those laces, just like the other sneaker that released, you do have 3 different options. This is a light blue. We've got pink and a white lace. So I do love that they give us so many options just because this is going to be a really fun, quirky shoe that I can't wait to mix and match my lace game up with as we are reaching into the summer. I think I might actually go with the pink lace or the blue. We'll see which one I feel like matches a little bit to my taste for the hot summer. And this also kind of reminds me of ice cream. I don't know. I'm just getting so many different sweet tooth things happening when I'm thinking of the color scheme of this. Let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. right, so working our way to the side panels, again, more of that pink meshing, and then we've got the New Balance in just a nice beige tone that's highlighted with a cream colorway. And as we work our way to the back, we have more of that meshing. We do have the Joe Fresh goods right there, as well as inside in Voices, which are stitched quite nicely. It almost looks 3D when I look at these, which is really, really cool. But we have inside Voices on the back. The interior is really cool because it has that pop of pink for that quilted look. And then we've got the Joe Fresh goods on the insole in that tie-dye orange and light pink color scheme. On the other side, as we work our way, we have the 9060. And again, this is a new silhouette. For those of you who have not seen a 960, it's because it's brand new. And I must say that this is extremely comfortable. Working our way to the other side of the end, it is actually a different color scheme. We do have some yellow that's etched along the line of that N, as opposed to just the basic beige N on that side. So I do love that they've kind of switched up the color scheme on that. And then for the base of the sneaker, for the midsole, we've got pink and this kind of nice teal color scheme, a translucent colorway for the New Balance on the back of that heel. And the sneaker is completed with this light pink and translucent pink outsole. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so moving along the box, I did say on the last colorway, I was obsessed with the box, and it is just, these are so cool. Both these boxes, they have the clouds going on. This one has a more green bluish effect versus the pink and purple, but I love them both so much and they're so different, but just nice to have a really cool, unique box to match the sneaker perfectly. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this silhouette. It is quite comfortable, and I do have high arch narrow feet, so if you have that kind of foot, then definitely stick true to size. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could actually differentiate a size that may work different for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling these. Obviously, this is just such a fun colorway to work into the summertime here in New York. It's starting to really just heat up, so really wanted to play with some kind of light monochromatic color schemes. For the first look, I decided to wear this really cute puffer skirt that had some nice printing on it, but it was in a nice simplistic beige colorway, which I think complemented the sneaker quite nicely. I then paired that with a just simplistic white tank top, and I think those colors just really complemented this quite nicely and made it kind of the standout piece.
We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away. Baby, don't hold back, all you gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from.
For the second look, I switched it up a little bit with some more patterns. I wanted to bring some floral print into this, and I decided to go with a floral printed romper. I think that the color combination, that floral print, really matched the color scheme of this shoe quite nicely.
Satisfy you, baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. Baby, drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with?
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear some nice, just tan pleated wide leg pants in this just really nice simplistic color scheme that I think complemented the hues in this quite nicely. And then I wore a button down white shirt.
I've been counting moments of love. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with
You let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Now I'm not really one for attention. Shine a light through a prism full spectrum. Pull the curtains back, you in my dimension. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. See where I come from, people never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh. Lord knows that I couldn't do it my way. Almost bought a ticket for the fast lane. Now I'm hopping on a flight to the Everglades to forget the pressure. Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $180, and they're currently going between $275 to $550, which is pretty crazy. Again, this was an exclusive to Drove Fresh Goods as well as Instagram Shop. So this is definitely a one that I think people had a lot more of a struggle to be able to cop. And that really is representative in those price points. Again, there were a lot of issues I know with Instagram Shop. I was actually able to cop a pair on Instagram Shop. I don't know how. Thank you to the shoe gods up there for looking after me, but I'm just happy to have this pair in hand. All right, that is it. This concludes New Balance 10-day full week of New Balance heat. Thank you so much everybody who has joined and rode along with me this entirety of the past 10 days. And if you are new here and joined us for the first time today, thank you so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have so much heat that we're going to continue to pump out, as well as check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.